Check out this control stand, guys. It's a Darth Vader one, and it's from Nira Creations on over on Printables. Gotta print this. Looks like it's ready. Nice. So I printed this with some supports, tree supports. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, that was easy. Yeah. Tree supports are coming off nice and easy. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Now, the moment of truth. Does it fit? Let's see. Oh, it's so nice. It's perfect. If you want one of these, hop on over to printables.com and definitely print one of these out. Have an awesome day, guys.